Have you ever imagined turning a single selfie into Lego figure, a pro headshot, and even a billboard ready ads using nothing but text? Welcome to the age where AI image generation is rewriting the creative rulebook. Hey, hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. If you are curious about how AI transforming design, marketing, e-commerce, and even personal branding, stick around. Today we will explore real ways you can use AI image generation to boost creativity, cut cost, and unlock new business opportunities. So I write complete way how to use. We go by segment. So the first one is the AI creative revolution. How we change the action figure like this. So let's take this one. This is the prompt I already created for you guys. So you will find this prompt in the description, no issues. So this is the ChatGPT basic, the pro plan, the plus plan I take. And here you select the ChatGPT and tool, and we need to select a create a image and we need to write a prompt. So generate a action a figure packaging design featured me as a character called AI creators, add accessories like laptop, camera, and all the things. So we need to provide the image of me also. So let me add my image over there. So this is my image. Let's provide this and let's run. So this way you can create a action figure packaging design or like this. So let's wait. While it is generating, let's talk about this model, ChatGPT image generation model. Okay. So here they are not providing, introducing. So let me tell you the basics around these models which creates the image. So there are two types of model. Actually draw. Okay. Image models. Image models. So there are two type of model. One is diffusion models and one is autoregressive models. So diffusion models. Diffusion models mean they start with the noisy image. They start with noisy image. And the autoregressive models. So these generating while just like here, if you see here, this is me. So it generates slowly. So it's generating every on a single step. It's not start with the blurry image, the noisy image. While generating it, think about the next step. Okay, what should I add now? So these are the autoregressive, and the ChatGPT model is the autoregressive model which we are using here. Okay, so this will create our action figure packaging design. This is the one, age 14 and all the things, cameras, laptop, which we added. Okay, let's go to the next segment, which is marketing and e-commerce. Or before that, let's create a professional headshot. Describe your appearance. Okay. So let's copy this prompt and just paste it here. Wearing black suit. Okay. Let's put it again in. Turn the same person in Lego characters and all. That's thing. Let's wait for it. So it will change the person into the Lego style character also, keeping the facial expression similar. I already give this image, so it will take the reference out of it. So it will create a professional headshot of me. Are you able to see? So these take the reference of this one and creates this image. Let's go to the next segment, which we are talking about, the marketing and e-commerce superpowers. So what is the prompt said? Take a photograph of this and this. Okay, let's go to this, copy. And here we put, okay, take a product photograph. Let's take a product first. So maybe hat we need to take, hat. Let's take this hat from images. Okay, let's take this one. It's look good. Let's save this image, download. Now we need to place this image here. Hat, and just run. We are using a simple prompt. Take this product photo of the hat and place it in a new settings. That product should appear naturally on the model on a sunny beach. Make it photorealistic. Okay. And we give the product photo. So this is our second segment where we use these products and market for them and create the ad for them. So, but how you get the clients for this? So you need to do this thing and post it on your LinkedIn, Twitter, so you getting a reach out of it. Here we go. We have proper girl with the hat and the image, the photorealistic. Now you can sell this thing to any client, just like the hat product client and all the things. Okay. So this is our second segment where we talk about e-commerce marketing. You can make the product image and send it to their CEO and all the things and write a mail from them. Okay, so this is we created for you. If you want to, we can talk on the business. So this is the bonus prompt we should try now. Put the same product. Okay, let's talk to this one. Let's generate this image and enter. If you want to change the size, you need to write in the prompt. So for example, if you don't want this size and want a 1:1 the square size, you can write it there. So it will create that for you. And it's done. Windows, sun and the sunlight coming. Okay. It looks great. So this is our second segment where we talk about marketing and e-commerce superpowers using a ChatGPT. Let's design a website, menu and more with real text. So let's use this one. And if, for example, the image is not generating correctly, then we need to change this, change the chat also. You can change the chat. So let's use this one and let's enter. So design a website landing page for an online AI course, use dark green theme and all the things. So this is the prompt we are using. If you want to, okay, so it will generate the designs for it. While it is generating, so we are also providing the generative AI training. If you want to learn from us, you need to go to 100x Creator, the link in the description, and you will find all the courses which we provided. So there is a AI tool mastery, generative AI mastery, which is offline and online, and Comfy UI. So you can learn a lot of things in generative AI and the Comfy UI. How to use all these generative AI technologies into different businesses or for your creativity also. So how you get enroll, click on enroll now button, just fill the form. Our team will contact you in 24 hours. So let's go to the ChatGPT and we got our website landing page. So this way you design the things like that. Okay, so this is the prompt and let's go to the additional prompt. Remove all the text, call to action only. Okay, so how this create these things? So let's paste it and run. If we change the size, it will change the size also. That is not an issue. So now it is connected to this chat, so it will generate the image according to that. Got it? It will take only CTA and generate the image. So you download it and use it. So this is our third segment where you design the website of that designing for the starting prototyping and all the things. You can play around it. Then let's go to the fourth one, the instant brand worlds from the board games to merge. So let's create a board game for the kids. So copy and let's try this chat only if it works and create image. Yeah. While it is generating, let's talk about one more thing which we provide, which is our services. If you go onto the Quanta AI Labs website, you are able to see there are a lot of services we provide, just like AI image generation and video generation. Just like we create amazing images or videos for you, for your brand. There is fine tuning, custom LLM deploy, RAG as a service if you want, RAG chatbots for your businesses. If you want AI reports on your data, we create that. And AI agent workflows, AI API integration, and consultation in generative AI if you have any query. Okay, so you can go to this website also, the link in the description. So let's go to this one. This is Quanta Quest. Wow, this is amazing. If you want to change the size, you can change the size for this also. Okay, this is chess board game. Just like if you choose this one, you round it again and you go it like this. Okay, this is for the kids also. So let's go to the next one where we talk about the next segment. Now generate, okay, let's add the bonus prompt also. Let's do this thing. These are amazing things we should try. Now you create that, make a website on Shopify and print it out and sell it. So you can make a complete business out of this only. Now it is generating a playing card for it. While it's generating, let's put this on the logo on the t-shirt, mockups and all the things. Let's go. So it makes the card. Let's make it this. Now you get a t-shirt design for this one. Okay, so these are the some bonus prompt I will provide in every segment. You will try it. We will only create the segment 5 from the major prompt. Okay, so this is your maybe the homework or the assignment you can play around with. So we created the instant brand words from the board games to merge. Okay, so we got it correctly, or these are this character. It's done. Let's go to the next segment which is content creation and game assets. So let's do this one. So if we run in this one only, let's create this one. Okay. Create a dynamic YouTube thumbnail for the video title, how I used AI to grow my brand. To create a dynamic personalized truly, please upload a clear photo of yourself. So it is asking for my photo. So let me upload this one. So I will upload my image. It's done now. So it is generating the thumbnail for us. Now you will do the same thing and do with the bonus prompt also. So this create amazing thumbnail, how I use AI to grow my brand. And this is our image. It takes the reference from. So now you can add the bonus prompt and make it more attractive. Okay, let's talk about the next segment, AI in real estate, interior design and architecture. So this way we can also use this one. So let's go copy this thing. And we need one more image, which is the upload. So living room or something. Let's download from the internet. Living room images. Living room. You want empty living room, so it will design. Okay, let's take this one only. Save an image, download, it's done. Let's give here and run it. So it will take some time to generate this image. So it designs that room in this style, minimalistic. Now you try with the bonus prompt which we already give, render this photo into the plane into fully furnished 3D model, and the 6 variation also you can check this out. Let's make the segment, let's go for the segment 7, unleashing new business models. Draft a pitch. How can AI image and video generation opens a new business opportunity for real estate, e-commerce, and content creation? Summarize 3 possible business model. So let's go. This is the bonus prompt. Okay. So we copy this one and let's do this thing. And let's done. So this way ChatGPT also works. So we are creating images. Now we draft the how AI image and video generation open a business opportunity in this one. So it will give you the examples also. Let's do the imagine you are the agency and this is the thing. This is some general use of ChatGPT. You can take an help from it. So it will write a cold email offering AI powered branding as a visual services to the local business. This way you can use. Okay, this is the template it created for you. So let's go to the next segment, which is the creative freedom and remix and ethical questions. Take a headshot and remove the background, replacing it the futuristic at the night, and make the shirt display neon logo. Okay, let's do this thing. We need our photo also in this one. Let's upload our image. So this is the headshot, removing the background, replacing it with futuristic landscape at night, make the person shirt display in a neon AI labs, and it's done. It looks amazing. So this is all in the segments. There is a recap we should take from this one. Let's make a recap for this, what we learned today. So let's recap, and it's done. So these are some segments we already learned how to take a headshot and all the things. So this way you can use ChatGPT for your businesses and for creative agencies. If you want some logos, you can make it with ChatGPT only. So if you like the video, subscribe our channel. We are coming up with the generative AI technologies videos every week or every day also. Thank you.